Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 26 at 80 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. At the present moment, it is clear that in India that we have no national independence, but we are obstructed by numerous restrictions, limitations, safeguards, and reservations which block the path of our planning and progress. Our plans for national development must therefore be taken up for a free and independent India. Thanks to the sacrifices made by millions of our countrymen under the leadership of our great leaders and the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Today, we have secured complete sovereign political independence at a time when the nations of the world are engaged in the struggle using all the weapons or destruction. And now, if we have secured political independence, it should not be difficult for us to secure a socialist pattern of society, especially when we are today the masters in our own country, as it has already been indicated. But it requires the assistance of all those who are interested in this. Next para. I am sure so long as my honorable friends, the minister, the deputy minister, and the other ministers who represent the Commerce and Industry Ministry can give us assurance that the capitalist pattern would be avoided. I am absolutely certain that in this country of ours, liberty of thought, liberty of speech, and liberty of action will be guaranteed to every citizen to express our views in any manner. India will stand 100% as a socialistic democracy. Next para. Now, luckily for us, the fundamental rights of the Constitution have declared that a citizen would be assured of many of the social amenities which will give reasonable comfort lifelong. I am absolutely certain that so long as there is a determination on the part of our citizens, we will be in a position to secure a socialist pattern of society. But mere enunciation, as I have said many times, will not satisfy the common man unless it put into effect. Stop. Friends, if you really want to increase your shorthand speed, then practice these phrases that I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys for watching this channel. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.